Hello everyone, there's a short video about Telegram today. Why are messages deleted in Telegram group? Let's go and see the reason together. Go to our Telegram and here choose any group that is your Telegram group. I choose this one as my group. And then everyone have to tap on the Telegram group name here, right here. Look about, you can see 3 dots here. Right on it. In this point, everyone can set to delete all messages in our Telegram group. As you see, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month are custom. If everyone choose 1 day, your messages will be deleted by Telegram just only 1 day. If you choose 1 week, your messages must be deleted during 1 week or 1 month, or and so on. You can choose custom, and in custom here you can set for 1 day, for 2 days, 3 days, depend on what you want. So here the reason that our messages in Telegram group are deleted. If you don't want to delete all messages, you don't need to do any, or you don't have to choose any one here. Just keep it, and then all your message in Telegram group will be able to see all the time if you want. If you choose any point of this, all messages in your group will be deleted. So here just a reason that why are messages deleted in our Telegram group. Here is in the end, and the one that do not subscribe the channel, don't forget to tap one subscribe. Bye.